Hello everyone, welcome to this edition of WOPOP's self-service website creation. How to use plugins and create a website. Today's demonstration, text and image plugin. What are plugins? As we all know, a website is composed of many content elements, such as a navigation bar, which can be understood as a plugin. At WOPOP, we have created all page elements in this form of plugins. You just need to drag and drop them into the page to use the plugins and complete website building. The use of text and images on websites is very common. Whether it's for product introductions or company showcases, text and image plugins are essential. WOPOP Website Builder currently supports 24 different text and image plugins, all carefully designed by our team of designers, offering a wide range of styles to choose from. To get started, simply click on the Add button, choose your preferred text and image style, and drag it onto the page. Each text and image plugin has its unique style, so the settings may vary. Here, we'll demonstrate the operations for text and image too. Plugin height. Click on Global Settings to adjust the top and bottom margins, allowing you to customize the plugin's height. Plugin background image. In Global Settings, you can choose to enable a background image. If you prefer a solid color background, simply disable the background image and set a background color. Plugin background color. The background color and background image are mutually exclusive options. If you wish to use a solid color background, disable the background image and set the background color here. Plugin background video. If you want to use a video as the plugin's background, click on Global Settings and enable the background video option. Please ensure the video format is in MP4. Text padding. Click on Parameter Settings to adjust the bottom padding for the title and subtitle, ensuring they are spaced as you desire. Column margin. Under Parameter Settings, you can adjust the distance between image columns, ensuring a consistent margin, creating a more uniform website. Focus background. In Parameter Settings, choose an appropriate color for the focus background. Button style. Under Parameter Settings, you can choose to hide buttons and customize the button style. Images. Click on a specific image or choose a new one to upload. We usually provide recommended image sizes for uploads. If you want to set a different size, remember to keep all images consistent for the best results. Preview. Once you've finished setting up, let's take a look at the final result. Click Preview to view the website's appearance on both PC and mobile devices. Feel free to visit our official website at www.wopop.com for more website building information. Follow WOPOP Website Builder to learn more. And don't hesitate to leave us a message with any questions or ideas. Let's exchange and communicate.